Today we are looking at a complete bulk bagging system. This is the most economical system that you can find. This unit will keep up with your large scale fish bind systems. The sewing conveyor is an express scale sewing line. It utilizes a handheld bag stitcher mounted permanently. This unit will accept fish bind and North American New Long bag stitchers. This unit can be set up in two-person bag sewing or single-person bag sewing. This unit is currently set up in single-person operation. Please refer to our other YouTube video for more on this sewing line. Also wanted to note that the belt is variable speed by using the VFD control, so you can tailor the speed of the belt to match your sewer. This is a very simple and economical bag sewing line. The sewer is also variable height just by adjusting the crank jack there. We have set this unit up with a Magnum Systems OM2, excuse me. And we have manufactured this hopper bin. This hopper bin has no exposed fasteners to hang up your free-flowing product. The footprint of this hopper bin is 49.5 inches to the outside of the foot pad, and it is 61 inches from the outside of the foot pad to the foot pad. That is the maximum width on the assembled footprint. This unit has a height of 130 inches from the top all the way down to the bottom of the foot pad. This is a very user-friendly, most economical system that you can put together. This unit will excel at bagging and sewing all free-flowing product such as corn, beans, soybeans, feed, things of that nature. Most all of your free-flowing product will work in this. We are going to offer this unit as a complete package with the bulk bin, the bagger, and the sewing line with bag stitcher complete and ready for sale. Or you can buy this unit individually if you are only interested in the bulk bin, the bagger, the sewing line, or the handheld sewer. All of those items are readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.